This is a simple and fast review of the Knocoka Redlight Therapy leather body mat. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, it is nicely rolled. You'll see your power plug, power cable, kind of remote here. This will plug right in to this. Then the other side obviously just plugs into the wall. Some glasses. This is going to be a kind of like a Velcro to help wrap things for clothes. And then a user manual. So we'll go ahead and kind of demo the concept here for you. But those are all the parts and pieces, and we'll take them from there. All right, so when you get it plugged in, just note that there's a couple different buttons here. Turn your power on, you'll get the bright lights going. And to crank this up to level 5 and down, you'll simply use the up and down. You'll have a timer capability to go anywhere from 90 to 10 minutes. And again, kind of fluctuating between kind of whether, I don't know if you're seeing the blinking or not, but it can be a steady, a fast blink, and a super fast blink. So just be aware of that. The other thing that I want to point out, and I'm going to try and show you so that you can see it here, is you can't really tell, but these glasses are like blackout glasses for the most part. So you'll see when you put them on, literally you'll just kind of see the red light, and I'll show you what they look like. All right, so I have a general idea where the camera is, but I honestly can't see it because all I see is the lights. Everything else is pretty blacked out. So these things are great as far as blacking out the red lights. And from there, we're really just going to sit here for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You can put this on a bed, you can put this on a chair. I personally like to use just a flat ground because it helps with my lower back issues. But overall, this thing is super effective. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. Gives you variations on time, pulse, and power. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.